Okay, so we're at this stage. Bath panel's done. Built a little cupboard down here for bits and pieces. Shelf on the back, ready for tiling. Sink units in, plumbed up, doors are on, shelves in, and all that good stuff. So there's loads of storage. So what we're going to do today, the toilet's going to come out, hopefully for the final time, and we're going to do the boxing around the back of there, in here, and a little bit down there. It's going to be awkward to do, but we'll get round to it. So we'll get cracking and see you soon.
Could you shut up for once, relax that eager tongue, and let me tell you something about myself. I'm not the clueless one, I'm neither weak nor dumb, so I don't buy this version of you. Hell no, you can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna.
So this part, as you see, apart from the butt crack, was the actual doing the boxing in around the toilet and everything. I didn't actually film a lot of it, so I only done that part where I was cutting around the actual connector. Okay, so this is as far as we've got. Toilet's back in. Boxing in is done. Let's see down there. The top lid's come off so you can get to everything. Still got a hole there to repair, but that's going to be tiled over anyway. Not sure how far the tiles are going to come up. Let's decide when we're doing them. So just the tiling left, and should look really nice when it's done. So see you when we get to do the tiles.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we're back here again. Everything's been given another coat of paint. Looks a lot brighter in here now. That wall's just a little piss coat over it to seal the wall. So yeah. So now we're going to start tiling and setting up. I'm going to start from the centre and work out, and we'll see how this goes. So.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go in front.
Oh, I'm way off on this last bit. I mean, considering that's my first time, I don't think it's terrible.
That's alright. Just needs another little nibble on it, but...
Go on, you can do that. I made such a mess when you're doing it.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight. And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth.
Okay, so there we go for today. We've got the tiles on this side and the main wall done. And then the next day we're going to do this side with the toilet and the hand basin. But I've got to run a batten across there, so these two have got to come out. It's getting there. She's already got the photographic candles out and all that stuff. So we'll see you on the next day.
1 week later.
Okay, so we're back here again. Just took the sink unit out, and what I'm going to do is put a batten from the bath across the wall behind the toilet, so I can tile from the bath across the wall first, getting a level line, and then tile up. And once the bottom ones have got off, we can take that off and then tile down. So we'll crack on and see how we go.
Listen to me as I say.
Okay, so we've got done today this wall, in the shower section, this wall going across and down, and I had to take out the toilet and the basin anyway, so that's all fitted back in, boxings have been recut, so it all fits nice and lovely now. So everything's done really good. All cut in nice. Toilet's all back to the wall now. So all we got to do is do the like the grouting, little bit of filler work, a little bit of painting. Painted that patch in the ceiling, but I think it needs another coat, so I can still see it coming through. So it should be alright. And oh yeah, the skirting's on. Put this new skirting on. New skirting down there. And also we've got to do the back of the bath. It's only got 3 tiles, a bit of edging. We run out of adhesive, so I'll get some more adhesive. If not, I might use the floor adhesive we've still got. So thank you very much for watching. So when we come back, we'll be grouting everything and then sealing up the bath with silicone and all that, and all the finishing little touches. So see you next time.